Hey everybody! We're back with Pretty Bird, and she is currently hanging out with her favorite friend Phil, whom she loves very much. She's known him since she was 2 weeks old. She's been meeting him here at the playground all the time, and his children are actually Pretty Bird's siblings' best friends. Alright, Pretty Bird, you want to show them how much you love Phil? Watch this. So she doesn't follow people, other than me and my husband and my children, but look at that. Look at her go. She's like, where you going, Phil? Let's go. As soon as she saw him, she plays tag. She's like, wait for me. Yeah. She's like, where you going? Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird, are you happy to see Phil? Yes, you're happy to see Phil. Yeah. Yes, pretty. Yes, pretty. Now she's trying to groom him. Yeah. Yes, good girl. Yeah, gotta groom his chair. Like I said, she's known him since she was 2 weeks old. And she considers him part of the flock, part of the Pretty Bird flock. Yep. See how she's bowing? She's saying hello. She's like, hi. So excited. Right, Pretty Bird? She's a good bird though, huh?
Yeah.
Alrighty, y'all. Just wanted to show you real quick how Pretty Bird treats her friends at the playground. That she's known for a long time. Hi, Pretty Bird. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye to your flock online? Say bye-bye, Pretty Bird flock. Bye.